To the leaders of every nation, we write to you today on the brink of catastrophe, a world aflame with rising tides, scorching heat, and ecosystems teetering on collapse. Our children ask us, what did you do when the ocean spoiled and the ice melted? We stand accountable to their question. The time for half measures and incremental change has passed. We implore you to launch the Oceanic Spiral now, today, lest we lose the only home we have left. Why the Oceanic Spiral must begin immediately. 1. A planet in crisis. Ocean temperatures have surged to unprecedented highs, fueling superstorms, acidifying marine life, and destabilizing global weather patterns. Coastal cities drown in floods, while inland regions face unrelenting droughts. We watch as polar ice recedes faster than any recorded prediction. Existing mitigation efforts, carbon cuts, reforestation, localized adaptation are vital but insufficient. Without a planetary scale intervention to rebalance ocean heat, our climate will continue its violent, unthinkable swings. 2. The Oceanic Spiral's unique power. Global heat redistribution. By constructing a vast spiral network, or network of spirals, that links Arctic and Antarctic waters, we can facilitate a controlled flow of warm equatorial currents toward the poles and cold polar currents back to the equator. This is not mere geoengineering. It is a planetary heat exchanger. Ecosystem revival. As deep, nutrient-rich waters upwell, trillion-dollar fisheries can be revitalized. Coral reefs, crippled by bleaching, will find refuge in cooler, oxygenated waters. Phytoplankton blooms will intensify, sequestering carbon at scales no forest can match. Clean energy generation. The spiral's currents can power massive turbines, harnessing kinetic energy that turns with the tides to generate sustainable electricity. Islands and coastal communities could be self-sufficient, no longer reliant on fossil fuels. Humanity's redemption. The spiral stands as a symbol, a collective vow that we will no longer passively watch our planet burn. It embodies compassion for future generations, respect for Earth's biosystems, and unwavering commitment to global unity. A moral imperative. For our children and grandchildren, we have inherited this planet, but we do not own it. To build the Oceanic Spiral is to honor our duty to those who come after, ensuring they inherit a livable, thriving world. For vulnerable nations, island states, low-lying coastal regions, agricultural heartbeats, millions face existential threat. The spiral's cooling currents and stabilized climate could mean the difference between survival and disappearance. For all species, countless marine and terrestrial species have already vanished. We must act swiftly to preserve what remains, giving life a fighting chance to rebound from human-made devastation. Practical feasibility. Unlimited resources, global unity. We call upon governments to pool resources, scientific expertise, engineering capacity, and financial investment. Under a single benevolent governance framework, no barrier is insurmountable. Existing technologies, adapted at scale, we already possess deep-sea tunneling methods, autonomous underwater vehicles, and renewable energy generation. What is required now is political courage to scale these technologies into a coordinated world-spanning project. Adaptive, phased deployment. Begin with pilot spirals and carefully chosen ocean gyres. Monitor impacts, adapt in real time, and expand strategically. This is not reckless experimentation. It is an agile, data-driven mission guided by the best climate models